Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into the full 2025 guide on how to use UPBASE for scientific lab management. Our first step is to log into your UPBASE account. The reason we do this is to access all the unique features that UPBASE offers for lab management. Once you're in, head to the dashboard where you can view all your ongoing projects, tasks, and team members. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the second step, which is creating a new project. This is done by clicking on the New Project button. This step is important because it allows you to organize your scientific experiments under different projects, making it easier for you and your team to manage tasks and deadlines. You can name your project, add a brief description, and set the deadline to keep everything on track. Next up, we're going to add team members to the project. Simply click on Add Members and type in the email addresses of your team members. This helps us because it ensures everyone involved in the project has access to all necessary information and can collaborate effectively. Having added team members, we move to the next step, assigning tasks. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. UPBASE allows you to assign different tasks to different team members. This can be done by clicking on Assign Task and selecting the team member you want to assign the task to. Remember to set a deadline for each task. This step is crucial as it helps in distributing work evenly and ensuring every task is being taken care of. Lastly, we'll discuss how to use UPBASE's unique feature, the Lab Inventory Management. By clicking on Inventory, you can add, view, and manage all your lab supplies. This is a game changer as it helps in avoiding last-minute supply shortages and ensures smooth running of all your experiments. Let me explain why this matters. By following these steps, you can streamline your lab management process, ensuring that all projects and tasks are organized, deadlines are met, and lab inventory is well managed. And there you have it, a quick, practical guide to using UPBASE for scientific lab management. Remember, the efficiency of your lab is in your hands. Stay organized, stay efficient. Thanks for watching.